I have an GE ZEU36R cooktop with an F152 code. I understand that the burner has failed and needs to be replaced. Is this a fairly simple job or is the labor likely to be expensive? I am not very handy myself.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It is approximately 8 to 10 years old. ZEU36R is all I have.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Unlikely.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
This is the first time I have had any problem with the cooktop. I tried flipping the circuit breaker but it returned after using it.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. You are correct that the error code F152 means that one of the burners has failed. In particular, the right front burner has failed. The sensor in it is bad, but you can't replace the sensor separately, so the burner will need to be replaced. Below is a link to the burner you'd need to order and replace to fix the problem. Below is a link to the part and it's about $170 or so. Click here for burner. To access the burner, you need to flip power off at the breaker or unplug the cooktop from your house. Then unscrew any mounting brackets around the sides below the cooktop, holding the cooktop onto your countertop. The cooktop will pull up through the cooktop and then you can sit it on a towel. Remove all the screws around the border under the outer lip of the glass top and the top will pull off the entire metal base unit. Now you have access to the burner for replacement, which is all plug and play. It's a bit of work, but something you can do if you're handy. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Looking at the link you sent with your directions, this is clearly beyond my capabilities. You gave me more detail but basically said what GE told me: get a tech. You did your job but not very helpful for me.
So you give me a negative rating then request a refund? You will never get help from me again in the future. You asked what was involved, I told you. Now because you're incapable of doing the repair, it's my fault? Good luck finding help in the future, because it won't be for me.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.